Panel Assembly Robot Cell, SmartWing BA. It's easy for anyone to use. This is an introduction to production programming. Even though companies promote automation of insertion processes, many give up on automation because they find issues such as lack of know-how and trouble supporting high-mix production. SmartWing BA is designed to be easy for anyone to use, with easy-to-understand software and an optimized vision processing system that requires no expertise and setup takes little time. In this video, we are using insertion of this new connector as an example. We will introduce the series for the setup method, including programming, creating shape data, and checking operation. First, let's start off with programming. This is the procedure for programming. First, we check drawing data and use calipers and other measuring instruments to check the size and position of the workpieces and panels. After confirming the sizes and positions, the job editor programming software is used to specify settings. First, specify the workpiece information settings. Drawings and explanations are displayed for the information, so check the contents when specifying settings. Next, specify settings for the panel size, insertion positions, and other panel information. When insertion positions are set, marks are displayed on the drawing so that the positions can be checked when entered. Finally, specify the workpieces to be supplied to the supply unit. Send the job to the machine. Creating the job is completed. Next, let's create shape data. This is the procedure for creating shape data. First, select the imaging position and move the wrist camera position to the imaging position. After moving into position, open Shape Editor. In Shape Editor, it is possible to specify basic settings simply by enclosing the imaged workpiece in a square and performing automatic extraction. It is easy to create connector models by simply setting the number of pins. After specifying settings, perform a search test. If no problems are found in the search test, creating shape data is completed. Finally, check the operation. When checking the operation, check for interference and other problems by operating the machine at a very low speed. If deviations occur such as due to differences between the actual panel dimensions and coordinate data, the position can be adjusted. When production is confirmed to be performing smoothly as shown here, the procedure is completed. As you have just witnessed, inserting workpieces into a panel with SmartWing BA is easy and takes just a few steps. If you have any questions or would like to request a demonstration, please feel free to contact us through the contact form on our homepage.
FUJI, innovative spirit.